go. Bass. Between the Boombest LN716BT speaker and the Zealot P12, which one sounds better? Let's find out in this video.
Enter to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
Obviously, the Zealot win in the speed test. If you are in a hurry and you want to listen to music, I kid you not, the Zealot will connect faster and will automatically start faster compared to the Boombest. But that's not a big deal. The purpose of this video is to find out which one actually sounds better. Lately, a lot of persons have been requesting for this sound comparison, so this sound battle is based on requests. Keep your requests coming in, and don't forget to support this channel. If you want to see this channel grow, you can support by dropping a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. You can also share this video, and if you want to find more ways to support this channel, check the description of this channel for more information. Regarding design, both of them look good, so it all depends on which one you love the most. Regarding price, they are pretty close. The Zealot can go for as far as 70, 60, or 50, and the Boombest can go for as far as 50 or 40. So the Zealot is a little bit more expensive. These are the buttons you get on the Boombest. The buttons on the Boombest are placed on the handle, which is very unique to me. I haven't seen any portable speaker with the buttons on the handle. As for the Zealot, the buttons are placed on the speaker. The position of their button make them easy to operate, and the buttons are bold enough, very easy to understand. Regarding their weights, I'm just going to conclude by saying they are similar because it's difficult to tell which one is heavier. These are the ports you get on the Zealot P12. You get the aux port, USB, and the TF card port, which is also has the SD card port, and that's the bottom of the Zealot, and you can see it actually moves easily. So regarding stability, I'm going to give it to the Boombest. These are the ports you get on the Boombest, which is similar to the ones you get on the Zealot. The USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and the aux port, and also the SD card port as well. And you get the logo of the Boombest looking really cool. The logo of the Zealot is more bold, covering almost the whole front of the speaker, but the Boombest is just a little bit simple. And regarding stability, this is the bottom of the Boombest. It is more stable compared to the Zealot P12. It doesn't move around easily, but when playing music on the speaker, it can move around easily. That's because the speaker does too much. It's got so much power. Obviously, both are from different brands, so let's find out which one has the best sound quality. The Zealot P12 has a total peak power of 60 watts with a 50 watts woofer and a 10 watts tweeters. As for the Boombest, it has a total peak power of 50 watts divided into 30 and 20 watts each. Now, if you want to know more about their features, you can check out the unboxing videos of these speakers, which I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description down below. And for purchase link, check the description as well. In most cases, it's not all about the watts, as wattage doesn't really directly determine the quality of a speaker. It dictates the power handling and potential loudness, but high wattage doesn't really guarantee good sound, as factors like design, materials, efficiency, and distortion, and even frequency response are far and more crucial for clarity and audio fidelity. So in most cases, it's not all about the watts. Speakers with lesser output power can sometimes often sound better compared to speakers with higher output power. I've seen that. The frequency response of both speakers is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Both speakers have dual passive radiator. The Zealot has waterproof, but the Boombest doesn't. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. I would like to know your thoughts. On the Boombest, you get a shoulder strap and you get a handle, but on the Zealot, you get just a handle. I'll be sharing my opinion with you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a louder speaker for a better audio experience. Let's go. 50% volume, normal EQ. Let's go. 100% volume, bass EQ. Let's go. Bass EQ 50% volume. Let's go. Bass EQ 50% volume. Let's go. Volume, bass EQ. Let's go.
100%
EQ, 100% volume. Let's go. Regarding which one has more power, obviously the Boombest is by far more powerful compared to the Zealot. So this is one of those cases where you say it's not all about the wattage. The Boombest has more power compared to the Zealot. The Zealot is a little bit more neat, but I just find the bass and the overall sound, the loudness on the Boombest to be more. The bass is more heavier. It hits you harder compared to the Zealot. So if you want more power, you want something louder, then I advise you go for the Boombest. If you want something a little bit more neat, more calm, then I advise you go for the Zealot. The Boombest is also neat. Don't get me wrong. Personally, I prefer the sound coming from the Boombest. It is superior at 50% volume and 100% volume as well. And I'm going to be comparing this speaker with pretty much other speakers as well. This speaker actually does too much. So in this comparison, I'm going to say the Boombest actually does it better. So let me know in the comment section your own opinion, which one you think killed it. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, peace and love.